We are finally getting some rain. Here comes wifey. Let me go get my nice wife so she don't get wet. You see how the rain is? I washed this car yesterday and the rain decides to fall. We haven't gotten rain in ages. Wow. And now that I washed the car, the rain fell. Come on, wifey. I'm getting blown away. You see how hot, nice your husband is? Look at this. Come on. Okay, don't tell the man to back up. What kind of talk that? Okay, go. Why you walk over here? Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't believe this. Come on, man. I'm like, yeah. I sacrifice. Woo!
I was wet already.
Man. So you get wet up and you say, I come to get you.
I was already wet.
I don't want you to get wet and sick. You're my one and only wife.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you know it is. What? Woo! Not a thing going on in here. Nothing not going on in here. Yes. No, I was taking a break. Yeah, I made breakfast. You need some light?
Excuse me.
Huh?
Yeah, no.
Welcome home.
Yes. I'm wet.
I got a kiss. All right, wifey. That is it. Later, people. Champy gone. Champy out.
Wet. Cold.
It's pouring.
Don't me tell you that?